We all desire to have a fit and healthy body, don't we? However, sometimes reaching this goal can be challenging. This is where natural fat-burning foods come into play. Fat-burning foods speed up metabolism, increase satiety, and support fat burning in the body. This is an important step for weight loss and a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we will explore the power of fat-burning foods. But first, it's important to know which foods possess this quality. Here, we will see how effective foods like green tea, chili peppers, avocado, almonds, and others are. Additionally, we will learn how to consume these foods correctly. Are you ready? Let's dive into the world of fat-burning foods together and add excitement to our journey towards a healthy life. Coffee, speeding up metabolism. Caffeine found in coffee speeds up metabolism, causing the body to expend more energy. This can increase fat burning, increasing fat oxidation. Caffeine can increase the breakdown of triglycerides in fat cells and release fatty acids, promoting fat oxidation and encouraging fat burning. Reducing hunger pangs. Caffeine can reduce hunger pangs, increasing the feeling of fullness and contributing to consuming fewer calories and hence aiding in fat loss. Green tea appetite control. Green tea has been shown to have an appetite-reducing effect on individuals with disrupted appetite control. Especially drinking a few cups of green tea in the evenings can be highly effective against nighttime cravings. Diuretic effect. Green tea facilitates the elimination of edema, fluid retention from the body with its diuretic effect. Fat burning. Thanks to its catechins and caffeine content, green tea exhibits fat-burning effects, facilitating weight loss and reducing body fat percentage, particularly effective for those engaging in sports during the weight loss process. Chili pepper metabolism. Boost capsaicin found in chili peppers can speed up metabolism. Fat burning. Chili peppers aid in rapid calorie burning through their fat-burning properties, helping you lose weight healthily and easily with a fast-acting chili pepper regimen. Oats. Regulating digestive functions. Oats regulate and improve digestive system functions. Fat burning. Oatmeal also has fat-burning properties, speeding up metabolism and assisting in weight loss. Satiety. You can lose weight with oatmeal without experiencing excessive hunger. Preventing sagging. Due to its plant protein content, oatmeal is effective in preventing sagging during weight loss. Curbing sweet cravings. Additionally, its omega-3 fatty acids help curb sweet cravings. Yogurt. Health-conscious individuals seek nutritious foods and healthy alternatives. Yogurt, a versatile ingredient with additional benefits, is also a healthy alternative for weight loss. If consuming a yogurt regimen, you can consult your dietitian regarding the amount and timing. It's known that consuming more calories than needed will lead to weight gain. Almonds. Almonds can assist in weight control when used as a satisfying snack. Their protein and fiber content can increase the feeling of fullness. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, almonds can offer numerous health benefits. However, it's important to consume any food without excess and according to your personal health condition. Ginger. Don't forget to add ginger tea to your diet list, because regularly consumed ginger tea will greatly assist you in becoming slim. Ginger tea, which boosts a sluggish metabolism, even helps you lose weight while sleeping when consumed, especially before bedtime. Coconut oil. Among the benefits of coconut oil are controlling sugar cravings when consumed regularly, aiding in weight management, easing digestion, and speeding up metabolism. It's also said to help maintain skin moisture and promote oral health. Coconut milk is also a good alternative for those following a vegan diet. Mustard seed. Mustard seeds contain numerous vitamins such as B, C, E, and K, as well as minerals like potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. It speeds up metabolism, facilitates the elimination of toxins from the body, and aids in detoxification. Apple. The fiber in apples binds to fat molecules, preventing fat absorption. Fats bound to fiber are directly expelled from the body. Additionally, it helps you feel full for longer, supporting weight loss. Thus, apples are considered nature's thermogenic foods, boosting your metabolism and aiding in weight loss. Fish. There's a common misconception that fish oil contributes to weight gain due to its fat content. However, fish oil is widely used for weight loss instead. It particularly enhances the effects of exercise and assists in weight loss efforts. Incorporating fish oil alongside exercise can lead to positive changes in body shape and quality. Beans. Fresh beans, especially beneficial for heart and vascular health, induce a feeling of fullness when consumed throughout the day, thus facilitating fat burning. High protein levels in beans make them a viable alternative to meat. They speed up metabolism, prevent constipation, and aid in weight loss. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C and folate, making it an excellent fat burner. It increases metabolism at the cellular level. Cauliflower contains phosphorus, potassium, and a substance called indole-3, which has protective effects against breast, stomach, and colon cancer. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar levels and creates a feeling of fullness. Helps regulate blood sugar by aiding in glucose movement in cells and inhibiting insulin, the fat storage hormone. Creates a feeling of fullness. Aids in speeding up metabolism. Reduces the conversion of consumed food into fat. Flaxseed strengthens the immune system, triggers the burning of fats. Due to its fiber content, it stimulates bowel movements and prevents constipation, reduces the risk of heart disease. The estrogenic components in flaxseed also have a soothing effect on premenopausal and postmenopausal women, reducing menopausal symptoms. Pineapple is very high in vitamin C. This feature will help you in fat burning. The vitamin C you need to speed up fat burning is found in pineapple slices. Balances blood sugar with its sweet aroma, leading to less hunger throughout the day and better weight control. Red cabbage. These vegetables containing sulforaphane promote the emergence of fat-burning enzymes. They help burn belly fat. Also, due to their antioxidant properties, red cabbage is known to have diuretic properties in the body. This can quickly solve problems such as edema and swelling. I hope you benefited from this video about the best fat-burning foods. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more content. Also, remember to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments for us to shape future videos. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video.